Hello everyone, welcome back to the CRM Carpenters tutorial series. And now we are going to talk another amazing applications created by Zoho, and it is the Zoho Writer. And as we go dive deeper into it, we will enter the Zoho Writer by clicking the Start Writing. And now we are brought in this page where this is empty, and we're going to create a new one for ourselves and select a blank document. So to begin with, the Zoho Writer is another cool app made by Zoho, which is very useful for your team to write and edit and collaborate using a different documentation or type of it. It also has its designs and automation tools. So let's start by creating a short paragraph. We will just copy and paste it. Now you can see that there is a sample paragraph inside here, and looking at the left side panel is where the designs and automation of tools are located, which you can adjust anything depending on your preferences. And it allows us to merge files and publish your work on multiple platforms. And so Zoho Writer has also its writing assistance called the SIA. The SIA will help us in grammar and correct spelling, and of course the readability of each lines that we have in our Zoho Writer document. So for example, we will trace if there were misspelled words in here by clicking the SIA, and it says that there are 3 spelling errors. Let's open it up. And one is this happened, which is supposed to be happened. The spelling should be happened. Now what it can help us is to correct the mistake and misspelled words. It should be happened. So we'll go back to see again, close this, and the error is down by 2, and we will look at it again, explaining. So once you click the error, it will display a line. So explaining, that's supposed to be explaining or exploring. So I think the best word is exploring. And last is the overgrown, which needs to be overgrown. So that's how the SEO works, and it's very useful to have a correct grammarization in your document. So Zoho Writer has 3 workspaces, which is the Compose, where we create, edit your document with contextually placed tools. Next is to Review. So this is the part where you are going to review. For example, your colleague or teammate in work write a comment. Let's get back to Compose. While he is observing the lines, he then adds a comment. Let's say, need a fix. He commented out with a line, and when we go to the workspace where we are going to review, you can see that there is a comment with a highlighted line, and if it's resolved or the team had talked about it, we can just click simply the resolve. And then the next workspace is the distribute, where you finalize and you are through with observing this document, and it's ready for publishing and merging, or to print, or to be downloaded in your local devices. And it can also be emailed instantly. With this attachment, will serve as an attachment. You can create a body and subject, and of course the recipient, and you can send it now. Just click send, and you can also share it, this document. But first you need to give the document a appropriate name for your content. So for example, you will share this this document for anyone in the internet. Just explore the settings and find the anyone on internet, or it can be explicit only on collaborators you had it in your team. So select anyone internet, save, and get the link, copy, and share it with others who will be the recipients. So thank you for watching. As we go dive deeper into Zoho Writer, we will be waiting for you in the next tutorial series we will going to talk to. Thank you for watching this video.